Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Peter. Today I have come up with a video that the gateway for free trading with 30 days challenges in Face trading platform. You can trade without paying a brokerage in Face trading platform. How? That I'm going to explain in this video. So watch till the end. Don't miss any point so that you will make mistake while opting this. Watch till the end and grab this opportunity. Before starting this video, I request my friend those who are new, please take some time to subscribe this channel and do not forget to hit on a bell icon. So any video I upload, it will never miss you. And any updates regarding face trading platform or anything, like even technical analysis, lot of things I post in this YouTube channel, it will notify you immediately. And those who are not seen the video of face trading platform which I have posted in this YouTube channel, you will get that in the I button. You just click on the I button. The packed future I have explained in a series of video. You can watch those videos to understand better on this trading platform. Those who don't have an account in Fairs, you can get the account opening link in my description box. You can use that link and open your trading account and trade for free. Right, we'll start the video now. Face 30-day challenges. The point number one, what I'm going to explain you is why 30-day challenge to be opted. Point number one. And point number two, what are the benefits opting the 30-day challenge? And point number three, what are the conditions if I opt for a 30-day challenges? And point number four, can we opt this 30-day challenge a numbers of time? That I'm going to explain. These 4 points, point by point, I'm going to explain you in this video. Right. Why 30-day challenge you should opt for? I'll just open. You can see here, and earlier there was a 30-day challenge showing up at this point something. Okay. At this point, they were showing the 30-day challenge button. If you click that and you can get into that 30-day challenge. But now some update has happened. Now you will not get that 30-day challenge at this area. You have to go to my account. Here you can see there is my account. This is my account. You need to click on the my account. Okay, click on the my account. It will lead to my account page. Here you can see there is a 30-day challenge button. Okay, you have to click on that 30-day challenge button, right? Click on this, and next step I'm going to show you at the end how to opt for this. I will show you in the end. Before that, we'll see why this 30-day challenge to be opted for net traders. Okay, generally a research suggests that a person to develop a new habit, it takes around a month time to develop a new habits and to break the old habit. So a person want to develop a new habit, at least they should practice that for a month. So you will develop the new habit and break the old habit. So what you need to develop the new habit? New habit, this 30-day challenge makes you a disciplined trader because you are running to focusing on the goal of winning this 30-day challenge. Example, you take a sport person who runs, he don't see here and there, he only focus on the winning point. So the same way, you will try to focus on the winning point to win the 30-day challenge. So when you focus on the winning point, you will become a discipline and you will trade only with a discipline. So to build in you a disciplined traders, they have come up with this 30-day challenge. So to build this discipline, normally I say in all my videos and to my traders also, I say that market rewards a disciplined traders and punish the undisciplined traders. What is discipline? Discipline is nothing but you have some strategy, you have some technical analysis, you know some technical analysis, and based on example, I'll take something. If I take a symmetrical triangle breakout trades, I only take with symmetrical triangle breakouts. So you have that discipline, you have to follow only that discipline. You have to practice that and you have to try to develop that to win consistently. So this is one method of discipline. And discipline is nothing but one more thing: money management, risk management, all these things are discipline. So this discipline comes over a period of time when you practice that. So 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. After 3 month practice of this, if you continuously win for 3 months, then you will become a disciplined trader and you will never go to undisciplined. You will break all your old habits and you will convert into a disciplined trader, and finally you continuously will start making money month on month revenue. You can generate month on month revenue with the trading as well as with the brokerage refund. This is the 30-day challenge why FAIRS has given to all the traders, right? Now we'll see what are the benefits you will get in this 30 days challenge. Okay, the point number one benefit is the brokerage refund. What is brokerage refund? See, there is a brokerage comes with only brokerage, the FAIRS charges. The FAIRS charges, what is the brokerage that will be refunded, not government charges nor the NSE what they charge. That charges will not be refunded, only the brokerage will be refunded. So point number one is the brokerage refund. Up to how much they'll refund? Up to 10,000 rupees they will refund. Your brokerage exceeding 10,000, the exceeded one will not be given, only 10,000 will be paid. If example I'll take, your brokerage is generated at 11,000, excluding all charges, only brokerage is 11,000, then they'll pay up to 10,000 only. Lower limit, there is no limit. Upper side up to 10,000 limit is fixed, right? And secondly, it makes you a disciplined trader. What are the benefits I'm telling you? It will make you a disciplined trader. For a third point is they will reward you with a certificate. I will show you that certificate, how they will reward you the certificate. They'll give this certificate of achievement. Okay, five certificate, the five time if you opt for a challenge, reward you the five certificate for you. And I'll show you that what type of the certificate they'll provide. See, first star would be Rocky Star. Okay, first time winning, and second time winning, Rising Star certificate will be given to you. Hat Trick Hero, third star, that is third time when you are winning, they will give a Hat Trick Hero. And fourth time winning, they will give Prodigy, that is fourth star. And fifth time winning, they will give a Wizard 5 star. This certificate will be given to you when you win the 30-day challenge. And one more, they'll do one thing. They, if you continuously start winning, they will have an interview with you. FAIRS will have an interview with you and record that video and publish in the YouTube to all that you are the winner of the continuous winner of 30-day challenge. If you are willing, if you agree to that, they will take, otherwise they'll not take that. Okay, this is the benefit of 30 days challenges. What are the condition? Now we should know the what are the condition for 30 days challenge, right? Yes, the condition is that 30 trading days should be completed. 30 trading days should be completed. Okay, without completing the 30th trading day, they will not pay you. The 30 trading days should be completed. And point number two is you should be a profitable after all your deduction and charges. After 30th day, you should be a profitable for, like, if you are made a profit of 10,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees, your brokerage and other government charges, NSE charges, all gone 800 rupees. You have made a 1,000 rupees profit after 30th day. You have paid all brokerage, and it should be included the brokerage also. Brokerage and the government charges, all charges, 800 rupees been removed, the brokerage and government charges. Then you are with a profit of 200 rupees at the end of the 30th day trading. Then they will refund the brokerage. Hope you understood the condition. 30th trading day should be completed, and After minusing all your brokerage and government charges, you should be a profitable at the end of the 30th day. This should be the second condition, right? And in this, they don't consider that the CNC, cash and carry trades and mutual funds and dividend provided, they will not take into a consideration, because cash and carry, they don't charge a brokerage. For a delivery, they don't charge a brokerage at all. So that is not considered in this. When will they refund this 30 days challenge brokerage? 10th of every month, they will refund this brokerage to you up to 10,000 rupees. Now question is that, can I opt for this 30-day challenge n numbers of time? Yes, you can opt this n numbers of time. You can trade freely in FAIRS without paying the brokerage if you are a winner. This is the benefit you are getting in FAIRS trading platform. Hope you understood till here. Now how to opt that, we'll go into the my account and I'll show you. So those who are not having the account, those who are new to this FAIRS trading platform, those who are already having the account, they can opt that. Anytime you can opt that. And those who don't have the account, as I said, you will get the link on the description box. You can click on that and open the account. If you have any issue in the opening your account, please comment me in the comment section so that I will try to clarify all your doubts. Right. Now we'll go to how to opt for that. Open this. After opening the 30-day challenge, here you can see there is a start challenge now. You have to click in it. Once you have clicked in this, are you sure to take this? You have to confirm yes. After confirming, it will show this type of page. Okay. I have updated this on 22nd July. So every day trade will be recorded here. What is your profit? What is your loss? Every day it will be recorded here till the 30th day. Once this completed, 30 days trading, once this completed, you will be selected. If you win, the brokerage will be refunded. If you lose, the brokerage will not be refunded. This is how you have to opt, and you can go to my account, click on the 30 days, and you can see your history of this 30-day challenge in this platform. This is how you have to opt for this. Friends, hope you understood what I explained. Trade for free and numbers of time opting this 30-day challenge. Hope you are clear. If you have any queries, please comment me in the comment section. I will try to solve your queries. And do not forget to share this video to your trading friends. They also let trade with free of cost in FAIRS trading platform. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.